Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Last year during monsoon I went to Mahabaleshwar. Trust me on this, during monsoons hill stations are beautiful. Everything was so good that I can't even describe that in words. The weather was beautiful, the sceneries were beautiful, the hills looked beautiful, and I took a lot of beautiful photographs in Mahabaleshwar. Well guys, did you notice something? I just spoke beautiful multiple times, right? And this is our problem. When we have to describe something, we fall short of words. So today in this video, in this session, I'm going to talk to you about some terms or vocabulary or words which will help us to describe nature in a better way. So let's talk about nature today. Let's talk about places which are beautiful, extraordinary, and mesmerizing. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, to write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. When we get a chance to describe something, we don't have words. We forget words. We don't have ideas, we forget sentences also, how to describe that. And when we pick one word, we keep on repeating that word continuously, like beautiful. I just spoke about Mahabaleshwar and I've just spoken beautiful multiple times, and it was so boring to listen to, right? So in order to make your speech interesting, your conversation interesting, your vocabulary interesting, and talk about something very beautiful, mesmerizing, attractive, let's take some efforts to find out how to talk about nature in the best way possible. Okay, so coming to the first word, how we can describe nature. The first word is blooming. Blooming means to bloom, to flower, to thrive, to grow. Okay, so we often say flowers are blooming in the garden. Flowers are blooming in the garden. Okay, or during monsoons, flowers bloom. During monsoons, flowers bloom. Or during winters, flowers bloom. It's your choice. Okay, another word is brisk. Brisk, which means fresh and clear. Okay, fresh and clear. You can feel the brisk air at the countryside. Or when you go to the villages, you can feel brisk air, which means fresh and clear. Okay, captivating. Captivating, which means fascinatingly beautiful, which means it's quite fascinating and it's very beautiful at the same time. Okay, which is captivating, which catches your attention. Okay, the sunset near the ocean is a captivating sight. The sunset near the ocean is a captivating sight. Dazzling, dazzling, lovely, something which catches your attention. It's very beautiful, dazzling, sparkling. Okay, there was a dazzling light in the sky at night. There was a dazzling light in the sky at night, or during sunset, or during sunrise. Anything you can talk about. There was a dazzling light. Enchanting, enchanting. Delightful, wonderful to watch, enchanting. Okay, it's wonderful to watch something, you can say enchanting. The view of the mountains from the top was enchanting. The view of the mountains from the top was enchanting. Okay, flourishing. Flourishing means growing, growing well or healthy. Okay. The fauna and flora are flourishing in the mountains during monsoon. or the fauna and the flora flourishes during monsoons. Okay, glorious, which is magnificent, worthy of praise. Glorious, worthy of praise. Magnificent. It was a glorious sight to watch the sunrise. It was a glorious sight to watch the sunrise from the beach or from my hotel room. Heavenly, very peaceful, ideal, perfect, heavenly. Heavenly means very peaceful. Okay, the clouds coming down on the hills was a heavenly sight, or it was a heavenly experience to see the clouds near the hills. Okay, lush, with abundant vegetation. The lots of greenery is called lush. There was a lush green forest near the river. There was a lush green forest near the lake or the river. Okay, majestic, grand. Okay, majestic. Snow-capped mountains was a majestic sight to watch or to see. Snow-capped mountains were a majestic sight to watch or see. Okay, spectacular, dramatically amazing. I mean, it was so amazing that you can't even express. That is spectacular. The night sky with stars and moon shining was a spectacular sight. Stunning. Something is so beautiful that it leaves you speechless. You can't just describe that. You can't talk about it, like you're speechless. Okay, that is called stunning. I was stunned with the beauty of Mahabaleshwar. I was stunned by the beauty of Mahabaleshwar during monsoons. Okay, so guys, these were some words which you can use to describe nature or natural surroundings or natural beauty or nature's beauty. Okay, we all go to hill stations, we all go to beaches, we all go to places where we can, have a picnic or a picnic spot or anywhere else, like, the mountains or hills for trekking, etc., etc. We do go to some such places, right? We have a lot of such places across India and we do visit these places, right? So now we know how we can talk about it. Whenever we have visited some place, to a hill or a picnic spot or a river or a lake or an ocean or a beach for that matter, or a hill station or any other place which is beautiful, which looks beautiful during monsoon or any other time of the year, you can just talk about it in this way, right? So in the last part of my video, I'm going to talk about my trip to Mahabaleshwar. Okay. And I'm going to try to use as many vocabulary as I can, which I've just spoken. Okay, so let's start. During monsoons, Mahabaleshwar is a must visit. It looks beautiful during monsoons. Last year when we went to Mahabaleshwar, it was raining heavily. The time we entered the city, we felt the brisk air and it felt heavenly. We reached the hotel, we shifted to our room. Later when I opened the window's curtain, I saw a spectacular view of the mountains and it looked stunning. I felt rejuvenated. After lunch and taking some rest, we thought of going out to Mahabaleshwar Gardens. On the way, we saw lush green mountains, blooming flowers and captivating views. At Mahabaleshwar Gardens, we clicked a lot of pictures and we visited a lot of scenic spots, which was heavenly during monsoon. There are lots of activities also which we tried in Mahabaleshwar. This trip was a much needed break for us and it was so enchanting and enriching that we didn't want to come back. So guys, this is how I described my Mahabaleshwar trip. You can also pick up any trip, any visit to a river or a forest or a hill station or a picnic spot or a boating experience, anything. Whichever you have done, you can just describe the nature which you saw there, the natural surroundings in this way. These are the words which you can use to express your thoughts about that location. Okay, or any location which you have visited, which is good, beautiful, nice, right? Mesmerizing, majestic, enchanting. You can just talk about it. right? So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.